building triceps. Well, this is the standard look, how that would look in the gym. What we did is then we say, hey, let's identify to see if you actually have a shoulder. So through his cars, we found out that he was compensating his spine. And then when we got to his true in range of his shoulder extension, we found out that he couldn't actually control this range. So we stayed right here, and then we start to do the training that teaches him how to engage neuromuscularly the proper stuff. So after identifying his actual elbow extension, we started to train for neuromuscular engagement. Then we hung out in this in range, and we brought a 5-pound weight that made this workout feel like it was 100 pounds. How did we do that? Because we were focusing on the in-range training so that he can learn to recruit, build, and control absolute strength. So here we spent the remainder of our time learning to engage all the stuff that he wasn't actually focusing on engaging, because standard model of bent over roll with a tricep extension was just going through the range of motion and repping out. Here we spent time under load, which at the very end I started to add some resistance to make him go to failure, to recruit